Hello there. So you want to know how you can use Strava routes? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So in order to go ahead and use the routes, you simply go have to open your Strava application, click on the record button on the bottom, and then click on add route. So in order to go ahead and use a route, firstly you have to create a route, of course, and all you need to do in order to go ahead and create new one is going to be visiting strava.com/route/new. So let me just go ahead and do that right over here on Safari. So strava.com/routes/new, just like that, and click on search. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page where you want to simply accept all cookies and click on got it, and then log in right over here. Once you've logged in, simply go ahead and click on this right over here, and as you can see, it's going to give you a bunch of routes that you can choose right around here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll